So this is all the Lego that I buy on the mall, and they have 1, 2, 3. 3. Hi guys, my name is Isay in Y channel. So guys, today we're gonna doing another fun video, which is we're gonna build a Lego today because kanina guys nagbili kami ng Lego na 3 boxes for Legos guys, which is nagbili kami ng pink Lego and helicopter and Minecraft Lego. So yun guys yung nabili namin kanina, and so fun, and you have so much fun to make for the Lego. You can also make a house, car, and also flowers, and what you want for you're gonna build something else. Yeah guys, and I'm so happy because nakabili na ako ng Lego guys, kasi ang Lego namin dito ay 9 na sila guys. 9 na po sila guys na Lego dito sa amin. So nakakollect kami ng 9 Legos. Yeah, I'm so happy. So ngayon ay meron naman tayong bagong Lego for today. So but before we start our video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and also hit that notification bell so that you're always updated on our new vlogs. Yeah guys, so let's start it. So guys, bibili muna kami ng Lego. Bye! Hi guys, ngayon ay dito na tayo sa mall. Meron tayong nakita ditong helicopter guys. So ito yung bibilhin natin. So yeah. So guys, meron din tayo nakitang Minecraft Lego. So yeah, let's get this thing. Let's go. Yeah guys, so and also this one, let's get this Lego ice cream. I think this is not an ice cream at all. So let's go get this. So guys, that's all that we buy. We have 3 Legos. So let's go. So guys, I'm gonna show you now that I buy. Oh my gosh, this is it guys. This is that I buy on the mall. So let's go get this. Ready, set, go. Yeah guys, so this is all the Lego that I buy on the mall, and they have 1, 2, 3 Legos. Yeah guys, I'm so happy today, and yeah, so and I'm gonna open up first is this helicopter. Let's go. So guys, this is now the helicopter Lego. So let's open up. So guys, this is now our Lego helicopter. So let's open up. So guys, let's open this thing. And oh my god, there's so many inside. So guys, this is the inside of this Lego, and it's like we're gonna get the instruction. This is the instruction guys. So let's open up. So guys, this is the instruction, and let's go start now. We're all done for a helicopter now. Look at this, it's so good. And yeah, and you can also spin this thing, and here too, you see it, and you can spin it, but yeah, it's so nice. So guys, let's go get another Lego. Next guys is this Minecraft. Let's go open up. Let's dump it all. Oh my god, there's so many inside. Look at this guys, it has also a human figure and a sheep. This a sheep, guys. Look. And we have so many stuff here, like this one and this big one. Let's go and start building. So guys, this Minecraft Lego has no instructions, so we're gonna copy on this box. Let's start now. So guys, we're all done for this Lego now. So next we can open up this pig one and the human figure. Let's go guys. So this is the human figure and it's a sheep. Let's go now. So guys, we're all done putting all of this thing. This is a Minecraft Lego. So next, let's go and the last box. So guys, this is the last box, which is this is a pink Lego. So let's go open up. Let's dump it all, guys. That's all. I think so. Yeah guys, so this is all the Lego. So yeah, let's open them up. So we have this Lego, it's for this one, and we have this table and this also a chair, and we have this a car. So let's go get our human figure, guys. So this is our character. We have this girl and a girl too. So let's open up this first. So guys, this is another doll or a character. So let's go and open up this next. So guys, this is now the next. It's a girl too. So they're all the same. So I love them so much. So guys, this is the Minecraft Lego. We have a piggy here and a character. So that's so nice. So guys, we have this helicopter. You can also spin it, and over here too. Yeah, like that. And yeah. So guys, next is this pink Lego. We have a flower and a wine glass, and also this tablet and a little chair. Next guys, we have this car for our human figures. Next guys is this super tall road signs. And the last one guys is all of our human figures. So guys, this one is named Molly, and this one is Sabrina, and this is Steve. Yeah guys, and they're so guys, thanks so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and bye guys.